happy for this day because today is an event organized by Jamia Sheikh Muhammad. I have a speech for you. Today's subject is dimensions of manner and morals of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The Prophet of Islam, from the aspect of ethics and the most eminent of man, and a perfect human being, possessed all good qualities to perfection, and pure from all evils and bad manners. He possessed all good qualities to perfection, and pure from all evils and bad manners. The criteria of morals which are mentioned in Islam and Quran. Hazrat Abu Darda says, I asked to Aisha about the manners and morals of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. She said, the manners and morals of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam were based on Quran. He was pleased with whatever Almighty Allah was pleased with, and he was angry at whatever Almighty Allah was angry with. She was having such excellent morals that Quran has praised him and said with regard to him, وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَىٰ خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ, and most surely confirmed to sublime morality. Now the behaviors with others of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The Prophet of Islam Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the Messenger of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, diligently observed the manners of society. He was extremely humble and kind. He treated all Muslims equally, respected all, and expressed his love for them. He asked the well-being of those who were absent and visited the sick. He was present in funeral ceremonies. He accorded respect to children and greeted them first. The Khadim of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Hazrat Anas Radiallahu Ta'ala, says, the Messenger of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam passed by some children and greeted them. You know, he also says, when the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not see one of the companions for 3 days, he inquired about his well-being. If he were on a journey, he used to pray for him, and if he was in town, he used to go and meet him. If he was sick, he paid a visit to him. As a result of the good morals and manners of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, people were attracted to him and accepted his call, as the Quran has said, فَبِمَا رَحْمَةٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ لِنْتَ لَهُمْ وَلَوْ كُنْتَ فَظًّا غَلِيظَ الْقَلْبِ لانفضوا من حولك فاعف عنهم واستغفر لهم وشاورهم في الأمر فإذا عزمت فتوكل على الله إن الله يحب المتوكلين. Behaviors of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam with the family members. The treatment of Messenger of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam at home to his wives and children was extremely kind and humble. Believe. He expressed love to them, was always cheerful and good-natured to them. He helped them in household chores. He was never harsh and overlooked their mistakes. He was very kind to children and even played with them. Anas, the servant of Messenger of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, says, I was in the service of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam during his journey as well as at home. He never said why you did this or why you did not do that. So today no more today. Have a nice day. I'm Abu Shana. See you again in another event, another time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.